My name is Wayne Ellis. I'm 26 from Gladstone, Virginia. This is my 1984 R model Mack 688 ST. It currently has a 300 Mack in it with a 13-speed Eaton, 365 Mack rears on Camelback, all original sleeper, original interior. I bought the truck 6 months ago roughly and just kind of cleaned it up, take the shows, pulled a couple loads with it. It's a very fun truck. Power window, AC works, everything works in the dash. Just want to keep it original, preserve it, and take it to shows from now on.
Yeah, I keep the bag handy and then drop the bag a couple times a day.
And here's my second truck I bought to the show. This is a 1998 Kenworth W900L flat glass truck, 60-inch sleeper. I currently run this truck every day, 3,000 to 4,000 miles a week. It's got a 475 cat, dyno at about 605 to the ground, 13-speed Eaton, 370 Eatons on the back. Big hole this sleeper so I can slide the seat back. I'm 6'1", so I need some room. It was an old wood truck, cleaned it up. It's about redone from front to back, but this is what pays for all the toys and pays all the bills. Try to keep it clean as best as I can, but it's a work truck, so hopefully you guys like it.